Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean a 12-volt car or motorcycle battery using some simple and effective steps. This process not only helps to extend the life of your battery, but also ensures it performs at its best. So, if you've got a battery lying around that needs a bit of maintenance, stick with me because we're about to dive into it step by step. Before we get started, a quick safety reminder. Always wear gloves and protective eyewear when handling battery acid or cleaning solutions. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area and keep water or a neutralizing agent like baking soda nearby, just in case. Alright, let's get started. First, carefully open the battery caps if they're removable. You'll want to check the inside of the battery for any buildup of dirt, residue, or old acid deposits. This is where the cleaning process begins. Pour a small amount of bleach inside the battery. The bleach works wonders in breaking down stubborn residues and neutralizing any gunk stuck inside. Let it sit for a minute or two. But don't leave it for too long as we don't want to damage the interior. Now pour out the bleach and thoroughly rinse the battery with clean water. This step is crucial because we want to remove all traces of the bleach before proceeding further. Shake the battery gently to make sure every corner gets rinsed. Repeat this step if needed. After rinsing with water, it's time to give the battery a final rinse using a battery acid solution. This helps to restore the proper chemical balance inside the battery. Again, make sure to handle the acid with care and avoid overfilling. Now let's focus on the battery terminals. Over time, they can become corroded, which affects the flow of electricity. To clean and roughen the terminals, use an RP7 solution or any similar product. Spray it directly on the terminals and scrub gently with a brush or sandpaper to remove rust and corrosion. This step ensures a better connection and improved performance. Once you're done cleaning everything, leave the battery open in a safe place to dry completely. Make sure there's no residual moisture inside or on the terminals before sealing it back up. Finally, reassemble the battery and check if it's ready for use. You might even notice an improvement in its performance right away. And that's it, friends. A simple yet effective way to clean and maintain your 12-volt battery at home. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.